Hello, first grade, Mr. Mush here. So this week we learned about value, okay? We learned about value and tints and shades. Remember, a tint is when you add a color with white, and a shade is when you add a color with black, right? So we are going to make our value snowmen today. And you need to remember your complementary colors from that video I showed you. All right, but you should already know your complementary colors because we already went over that when we made our turtle color wheels, right? So you should already know your complementary colors. So here's my example here, all right? I have a green snowman, right? And it's really white here, really light because that's my tint green, my regular green, and my shade of green. And I have a red background because green and red are complementary colors. They're best friends, right? So this is what we would be doing if we were in school. Okay, we would have painted on paper, cut them out, and put our snowman together. Okay, but since we're not in school, we're going to do the next best thing. We're going to draw our snowman on a white piece of paper, and we'll just shade in the background with its complement. All right, so pencils ready. All right. And our paper is vertical, up and down, which is called hot dog style to Mr. Mush. I'm going to write my name, Mr. Mush, in the upper corner, flip my paper over. All right. Now, so we're going to draw our snowman. So first, I'm going to draw the snow, and then I'm going to draw the tiny snowball, the medium snowball, and then the big snowball. If this happens to you, it's okay. Just erase the line, that's all. Okay. Now, you can decorate your snowman however which way you want. Your snowman, snow lady. I'm just going to do mine a basic snowman. I'm going to give him eyes, his nose, smile. I'm going to give him a hat. Okay, I'm going to give him a scarf. Okay. And I'm going to give him wiggly arms. Okay, there's my snowman. I know everybody knows how to draw a snowman. So now what we need to do is we need to blend our colors. Now, since we're working on a white piece of paper, it's easy to decide what colors we're going to do. But you're only going to use one color because you're going to mix black and white to create your shade and your tint. So for mine, I think I'm going to do a blue snowman. Okay, so the middle part is just going to be your color. Okay, so whatever color you choose, that's the color. So I chose blue. I'm going to move this because I'm getting rubbings. All right, I chose blue. That's all I'm doing. Okay, but down here I'm going to put blue and I'm going to mix it with black to make a shade of blue. Okay, just like that. Okay, if you feel like it's too black, just get blue and shade it in. Now remember, you want to use a crayon without a wrapper to help blend, because doing it without the wrapper, it's really hard to get it blend this way. Okay, so then the head, it's okay if I'm going over my facial features, that's okay. You'll see why in a second. And then I'm going to use white to really blend it and to make it lighter, and I can see that it's working. And for white, you might need to push down a little bit harder to really get it to blend. Okay, but you see how it's really light here, it's really blue here because it's just blue, and then it's darker. So we have tints. Tint is white plus your color, your regular color, and then shade. Shade is color plus black. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my black and go over his eyes like that. And then I'll take my orange and shade in his nose. And then for his scarf, I think I'll just do a darker blue and just do stripes like that. Okay, then I'm just going to shade in his hat like that. Okay, and I'll do his arms. And there we have my snowman. And we have tint, regular, and shaded of the blue. Okay, all right. And then we're going to leave the snow on the ground white. And then for the background, we're going to do the opposite. All right, so I'm going to put blue snowflakes in the sky, because that's what color our snowman is. So whatever color your snowman is, that's the color of your snowflakes. Okay? And as a matter of fact, whatever color your snowman is, shade in your snow for that. I take the white part back. All right? And then the sky should be whatever color your color's complement is, or its best friend. And blue's complement is orange. Okay? And just in case you forgot, if you do red, red's best friend is green, green's best friend is red, blue's best friend is orange, orange's best friend is blue, and purple's best friend is yellow, and yellow's best friend is purple. So there is our value snowman. All right? And that's what we're doing this week. If you have paints, please do it with the paints and the colorful piece of paper, just like my original example, like right here. Okay, you can do it on white paper and cut it out just like I did. But if you don't have paint and colorful paper, do what I just did here with the crayons. It works just the same, and it turns out just as nice. All right, so that's this week's lesson. I hope you had fun with it. So until next time, first grade, take care.